In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Google Drive shared files. By the end, you'll know the right way to clean up your Shared with Me section, what each option actually does, and how to avoid the most common mistakes people make. First, let's talk about the simplest and most common approach, removing shared files from your view. This is perfect when you just don't want to see a file or folder anymore, but you don't need to delete it for anyone else. On your desktop, open Google Drive, click Shared with Me. On the left, right-click the file or folder you no longer want to see, and choose Remove. It disappears from your list immediately. Think of this like hiding a file from your personal workspace. You are not deleting anything. The owner still has the file, anyone else who was shared on it can still access it, and if you open the file again from a direct link or an email, it may reappear in Shared with Me because you've accessed it again. That's expected behavior. If you want the file gone from your account completely, you'll need to remove your access. Go to Shared with Me, right-click the file, choose Share, find your name in the list of people, click your permission, and select Remove Access. This removes you from the file entirely. After you do this, the file won't show up in your drive and you won't be able to open it. This is useful when you no longer need ongoing access or the content isn't relevant to you. Keep in mind, this only affects your account. The owner and other collaborators keep their access, and if you ever need the file again, you'll have to be added back by the owner. If you're dealing with a crowded Shared with Me page, you can clean up faster by removing multiple items at once. Hold the Control key on Windows and click each file or folder you want to hide from your view. Once they're selected, right-click and choose Remove. This is the same hide from view action as before, just done in bulk to speed things up. It won't delete anything for other people, and it won't remove your access. It simply gets those items out of your sight. To recap, hide items from your view when you just want a cleaner drive. Remove your access when you want the file fully gone from your account, and use multi-select for a quick cleanup. Follow these steps and your Shared with Me section will stay tidy and under control.